Hello everyone, welcome to the concept of variations. So in this variations, we are going to learn a new assignment today. That is, we have to find out all the factors of a natural number. So how we are going to find the factors of any natural number? Let me just explain to you. First of all, I will write it over here. Okay, so that factors of a natural number. Let us assume I have a variable num and n is equal to 10. Okay, so how am I supposed to find it out? What are the natural number? What are the factors of this 10 number? Okay, so how we are going to do that? For that, have a very simple logic. So say for example, because we have every time what we have to do, I will divide this 10 with each of the number. Okay, so for example, if I will divide this 10 with first natural number, so 1 into 10 is 10, right? So the remainder will be 0 this time. So it means that 1 is the factor of 10, right? Number second, let me say 2. I will divide 10 by 2, so it will also be equal to 10 and the remainder will again be 0. It means 2 is the number which is dividing this 10 completely. Therefore 2 is also a factor. Let me check it for 10 now, 3 now. 3 3s are 9 and the remainder will be 1. So 3 is not a natural divisor, 3 is not a divisor of or we can say 3 is not the factor of this number 10. Why? Because it is not dividing it completely. Let me just move on to 4. 4 2s are 8 and we will be having the remainder 2, right? Therefore 4 is also not a factor of 10. Let me check for 5. 5 2s are 10, the remainder is 0. It means 5 is also a factor of 10, right? Let me just check it for 6 now. 6. So for how much long time we are going to iterate it? Obviously 6 1s are 6, the remainder is 4, not a factor. 7 1s are 7 and the remainder is 3, again not a factor. 8 1s are 8 because 8 2s are 16, so 8 1s are 8 and the remainder is 2, not a factor. 9 will never be a factor of 10. 9 1s are 9 and the remainder is 1, therefore again it is not a factor. 10 1s are 10, the remainder is 0, therefore factor is what? 10 is also a factor. So the factors of this natural number 10 is what? 1, 2, 5 and 10. We have got it. So one thing also to notice is that we have to, when we will be finding out the factors of the given natural number, we can only take it less than or equal to that particular number, right? So this is the logical part of factors of a natural number. Let us now move on to the coding section. So what am I supposed to do? I will be taking a variable, say n is equal to 100. Okay, so I will be taking one thing. I will be taking a loop, obviously, and loop I will iterate it up to I is less or equal to n, right? And I will be writing it if n, because I'm dividing n, or I will be taking it as 10 first. 10 we are dividing it by I, we can say, right? And also I will not be equal to 0 because I'm taking it with 1. If the remainder is equal to 0, do one thing, print the value of I, because only I will be then the factors. 1, 2, 5 and 10, correct? I'll be taking it as 100, so let me just check it out. So these are the factors of 100. Whatsoever are the numbers which will be dividing it completely are the common factors, are the normal factors, okay, are the factors of that particular natural number. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.